First cake is Summertime. It's an epic cake. It's packed 4-1, 16 shots. Number 2 is On Strike by Hot. It's packed 4-1, 12 shots. Okay, number 3 on your list was a scratch. It didn't make it. Yeah. There's the one that was hung earlier, if anybody remembers what that one was. Sorry, guys out there. Do you need to take a 5-minute break to change your drawers? All right, number 4, Crater Creator by Mad Ox, packed 4-1, 12 shots. Number 5 is Destructor by Hot Fireworks, packed 4-1, 16 shots. Number 6 is Rising Dragon, Pyroplanet brand, packed 4-1, 30 shots.
They were sold out when I took my last order for them, but I gotta get a couple cases of that. Yeah.
All right, I'm going to give them a second to get out of the way. The rest of these are E-fired, guys. You ready to go out there? Okay. Number 7 is a red, white, and blue finale box, Dominator Pro, packed 4-1, 30 shots. Number 8 is a red strobe finale box, Dominator Pro, packed 4, 125 shots.
The whole
Are you guys
cake fall in your
okay?
truck? We're fine.
Camera okay?
We're fine.
Is the camera okay?
Yeah, did the whole cake blow up and fall in your truck?
Number 9 is 50 millimeter variegated go-getter mines by Dominator Pro. We should have 5 of these to shoot. It's packed 70 in a case.
That is dumb. Could be.
Number 10 is 25 shot red crown cross set by Dominator Pro. It's packed 4, 125 shots. Next up, we've got some slices. The number 11 are 13 shot fan slices by Dominator Pro. These are packed 8, 1, and we should have 4 of these to shoot. Okay, number 12 are 19 shot fan slices, Dominator Pro, packed 6, 1, and we're going to try to shoot 2 of those. All right, that was Fireworks Forever. Big round of applause for Chris.